everybody, I'm Deidre from Imagine If, coming to you from my home, and I have a story to share with you and some activities that I've been doing with my kids at our house that you might like. But first, rub your hands together.
Something good is going to happen. I wonder what it will be.
Rub your hands together. Something good is going to happen. I just know it. I wonder what it will be. My friend taught me that, and she learned that from her grandpa and from her mom. So it's a nice thing to say maybe in the morning when you wake up. And maybe some of you have been making Play-Doh at your house. We made a different kind of Play-Doh here. And what kind of ingredients did we have?
Conditioner and cornstarch.
Yeah, we were all out of flour and all out of salt. And we found a recipe, and so we put 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of hair conditioner and mixed it all together and kneaded it together, and it makes a really nice Play-Doh. And it's very soft and actually makes your hands feel good. And we added some food coloring. And then when we went out for a walk, we found branches and twigs, and we used that to make some creations. And you might want to do that too. You can do that with any kind of Play-Doh. I have this book to read to you today. It's called Breathe With Me, and it's written by Mariam Gates, and the pictures were drawn by Sarah Jane Hindler. And it's a book about how you can use your breath to stay calm. It says, you're always breathing up and down, in and out. You use your breath each time you talk or sing, for every whisper and every shout. Your breath can be short and quick, like the drum line in a marching band. Your breath can be long and slow, like waves rolling onto the sand. You will breathe 25,000 times today, and that's healthy for you. But do you know what else breath can do? 1 deep breath in and 1 long breath out can actually make you feel better too. If you're tired in the morning and it's hard to get out of bed, use rainbow breath to get your body moving and wake up that sleepy head. Let's do the rainbow breath. Sit up and let your spine grow tall. Bring your arms out straight to the sides, palms down. Inhale, that means breathe in, and sweep your arms up over your head and palm to palm. Exhale and bring your arms back and straight out to the sides, palm down. You can do that 3 times, and that's a rainbow breath. When you go somewhere you've never been and you aren't sure what to do, you can use dandelion breath to feel more comfortable trying something new. Dandelion breath. Sit up, let your spine grow tall. Imagine a soft dandelion flower. You can pretend it's like your finger. Take a deep breath in and then blow the air out slowly, sending the seeds into the air. Just like you're blowing a dandelion. When something makes you mad or even seems unfair, try counting breath and you'll feel calmer there. Counting breath. Sit up and let your spine grow tall. Take a deep breath in, counting silently. 1, 2, 3. Then let your breath out, counting silently. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you may be sad and feel like crying too. A gentle belly breath can help when you are feeling blue. For this one, you have to lie down on your back, Tiny the tiger is going to do it. Place one hand on your chest and the other hand on your belly. Take slow, deep breaths and feel your chest and your belly move up and down as the air goes in and out of your body. Repeat that 3 times. At night, when it's hard to fall asleep because your mind is busy and your body feels tight, try balloon breath to get relaxed and ready for a good night. Ready for balloon breath? Lie down on your back and let your hands rest by your sides, palms up. Come on, Tiny. Inhale through your nose and imagine your whole body filling like a big balloon. Exhale and let the air out through your mouth. What color is your balloon? What color is your balloon?
Green.
Green. Repeat 3 times. Your breath is always here for you in a calm and quiet way. Use it to help you choose how you want to feel in each moment of your day. With 1 deep breath in and 1 long breath out, you are on your way. Now let's sing one song together before we say goodbye. Are you ready, Tiny? All right. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, out, out, out. Roly-poly, roly-poly, in, in. Let's do it one more time. Roly-poly, roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly, down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly, out, out, out. Roly-poly, roly-poly, in, in. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope I get to see you soon. Bye.